Hi love, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I saw this hairstyle by Joyce Art and I learned it on her channel and then decided to recreate it first on my doll, on my mannequin head before I tried it on myself. I did this a while ago and I just decided to post the video to show you how it is done in my own way. So I used one hair extension and I didn't cut it at all. That was a big mistake because it kept on tangling. So just cut it once into two equal pieces because you will still need to be adding the hair as you go along. So in my laid back manner, I just felt that since I was going to be making the hair long, I didn't need to cut the hair extension so that it will not be in pieces, and it ended up just tangling and being a nuisance. So just cut it once into two equal pieces. Then you don't really need to like pluck the end too much to make it uneven. I didn't do that. I just brushed it to like what do they call it, to tease it. It was like I was teasing the hair extension just to make it, teased. And I started braiding. So I braided a little distance and then started pulling it out just the way you would make a butterfly braid or jungle braid. Now, the amount of hair you pull out affects how fluffy it looks. So you can do that to your discretion as you want. The number of times you pull the hair, as you can see from the one that she did, she would like braid one, two, three, and pull the hair one, two, three, pull. But I was going I would braid, pull, braid, and pull, braid, and pull, okay, or add then pull. I was pulling every step to make it look more butterfly and I liked it. So it's up to you. When I got towards the end of the hair, I then braided it like normal box braid. I finished it like a regular box braid, so the tip was very secured, and that is the only part you should add into hot water if you decide to seal your braid with that. But I find that when I made it on myself, right, I coiled the tip of the braid. When I was done with the butterfly braid or this design, I knotted the hair extension, then used flexi rollers to coil the tip of the hair extension and then dipped it in hot water, and everything was just looking so flowery and soft and just butterfly and cute, just very delicate hairstyle. It looks so feminine and like innocent and soft and cute and just flowery and starry and butterfly and every goodie. So that was it, and then you're going to see how to sew it on to the person's head or your hair or your mannequin hair or your whatever hair you're sewing. So I will just let you finish watching, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not know Joyce Art, I like her. I learn a lot from her channel. I will leave the link to her channel in the description bar if you want to check her out. She has like so many intricate African hairstyles that I just find very fascinating and I love to learn. That's where I learned this one. And this is called Bandika braids. I hope I am pronouncing it right. So Bandika braids, and the first time I saw it was on her channel, and I've done it for a couple of my clients, and no any other person had done it. Then like it's just fun. Go check her out. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and let's continue.